Yo, what is going on, y'all? I'm Cavell Anderson, and we are back with another Veve and Ecomi video. In this one, we're going to be talking a little bit about the FUD that's being spread around the community because it is a big deal. It's a big deal. A lot of people are beginners, and they're falling for this stuff. So, one thing that I'm starting to realize is we don't have a lot of experienced traders, and we don't have a lot of experienced investors. And there is a difference. Investors put your money into a project and hold it long term. Traders trade, whether it's swing trading, which is trading, there's a little bit of time left over, or day trading where you trade daily. Like swing is more like week or so, hold a couple days, so basically we don't have true traders and we don't have true investors. We have people who are right here in the middle, probably learned about crypto from Doge or something like that, and they saw this project, saw this as an opportunity to put some money in, to see this thing blow up and get some quick returns like Dogecoin or something, not realizing that this was a business before they made their investment. And I think that that's where a lot of people go wrong. And also a lot of people are investing money that they didn't have to invest. Now they're realizing how long of a hold this is, or unless they withdraw money at a loss, and it just does not make sense. It's like people didn't do their due diligence and didn't do their research. And I think that that's one of the most important things when it comes to investing. That's why any title, thumbnail, or anything like that does not affect me or most YouTubers, because we have researched this project. We've researched the people involved in this project. We've researched everything that we need to feel comfortable in our investment. And this is why we're choosing to make that investment. For some of the viewers, you can't say that same thing, which is why you get intimidated and get worried about titles. And then if you're an investor and you're worried, oh, that title is going to scare other people from investing, that's going to hurt my investment, it means you don't understand the project. Because most people who are watching my videos right now and other YouTubers' videos in this community, they're all crypto. They're all from the crypto side of things. The crypto side of things is not what's going to make us all the money. It's going to be the other side, the entertainment side. The side that does not know crypto exists or does not know that crypto is even affiliated with Veve. That is the side where the profit is made. That's where the money, that's where the big changes and the big rise in price and stuff actually happens. So those are the people you're worried about. Like, people are worried about other traders and stuff selling off. I couldn't care less who sells off from from the investors and traders and things like that. Because if you're an investor selling, you didn't do your own due diligence. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, but you should do your due diligence before spending your money and investing. If you're just throwing around money, you deserve to lose it, because why would you just throw that money around without researching what you're putting your money into? You don't watch one video and call that due diligence. You read articles, you read all the information that you can find. You study who made these, who made the companies, who made the brands. Look at their history. How long have they been in their histories doing what they're doing and things like that. So that's something that's very, very important when you're making an investment. Now, I said all that to say, people are saying that the value of the collectibles are going down. The value of the collectibles are not going down. That's a lie being spread around the community by traders who are mad and upset and thought that this was going to be a quicker ride than it actually is. They thought that this was going to be a quick come up when this is an investment. That's what it is. A lot of people jumped in on the hype train, which, not financial advice by the way, but when you see something in the green shooting up, don't invest in that. It's absolutely stupid to do that. What you want to find to invest in is something down, all the way down, in the red. But it's a solid project. It has every reason to go up and solid reasons, and it's solid reasons why it's down. For instance, take Veve. The price is super low right now. It had a huge drop. So looking at this, this is what should be attractive, right? Hold on, let me see. Let's switch it to the day. This is what should be attractive for an investor. This is what should be attractive for an investor. So we had a huge run up, and now it's gone down. It's gone down almost all the way here. So that means it's damn near at the point where the only place for this to go is back up. So this is what needs to be attractive for an investor. Most people see this and like, oh, now is the time to invest. This is attractive to me. Let me jump in here or jump in right here. Like, that's absolutely stupid. You buy low, sell high. You get in here and sell here. Like that is what right now we are here. We're here. We're here. It's damn near only place we can go is up. Yeah, we can still drop a little bit more, but you're at a good entry point to where you can ride back up. So this is the type of projects you should invest in, and at the moments that you should invest in it. And basically, people are saying that the value of the collectibles are going down because they look at stuff like the market. They look inside the market and they see the value of things, people selling stuff for less than they buy it for and things like that. Those are idiots. Those are absolutely idiots, because what you have to understand is the target audience for these NFTs right now that's being released is not on Veve. They are not marketing to Batman fans. You have not seen an advertisement for Veve on the official DC's website, or in a Batman game before it starts, or on a Batman screen in front of the movie before the movie comes on at a movie theater. You have not seen these advertisements that drives in true Batman fanatics. You have not seen that. You have not seen true DC fans come to Veve. Right now, it's all crypto people. We have crypto people on this platform. Crypto people who are only here looking for a quick buck. They was here trying to flip things, trying to trade things, and because they made it so you can only see the lowest price first, a lot of these guys can't get quick flips no more, so they're trying to hurt the community by, oh, so you gonna take away our ability to do this, we can't withdraw our money, we can't really leave, so let's just try and fuck up the experience for everybody else and send other people off. And basically what people are doing is they're falling for this. They're like, you know what? The prices in the market are going down. Veve isn't valuable. People don't like Veve no more. And this is exactly what they want to do. They want to get those noobs who's actually clueless enough to believe that and not realize the people who are meant to buy these NFTs have never even seen them. The people who are supposed to be buying these NFTs have never seen them. And when it comes down to the value of these NFTs, they have not scratched the surface of what they could be. Because not only are the NFTs valuable to that fan base, even once that fan base comes and then the value of these NFTs go up because they're going to be demanding it and they're going to be willing to pay more than a trader who don't really care about these I don't care about any of the NFTs that I have right now. I will tell you up front, this is realistic. These are not any of the brands that I'm passionate about. I don't care about any of the NFTs I have. I have this whole new collection and I don't care about it. This is a flip for me. This is a flip that I'm holding for the future a few years down the line. That's a flip. But it's not something that I wanted for the short term. I understand that this is a long-term thing. A lot of people aren't getting that. So once the audience comes on that's going to buy this stuff, you have to understand that Veve has the ability to create demand. And that's something else that people are not even talking about. The Veveverse is very, very important in this whole cycle. Basically, they can do things like, if you want to unlock Batman gear, you have to have a certain amount of Batman NFTs. They can do that. If you want to play a certain game mode in the Veveverse, you have to have a certain amount of NFTs, or you have to have a certain number of sets. Like, they can literally create things. Like, they can make it so, okay, this random think of the most worthless NFT that you can possibly think of on the Veve platform that you would never want to go near. They could make it so that NFT is what's required to do something super fun that everyone is going to be doing in the Veveverse. And then it takes this useless NFT and it somehow just makes it more valuable. Because now it's needed. It's needed to do something in the Veveverse. So they have not even gotten to the point where they're starting to create demand or create value for their NFTs. They have not. People are sitting here talking about something is dying or something is going down before it's ever actually gone up. Because even though things have been selling for crazy amounts of money and stuff like that, we don't know what true Batman fans and things like that would actually be willing to pay for this stuff. But we do know that it's going to be like what Veve is charging is a steal. What Veve is charging is a steal, especially for what exactly this is. Like, Batman fans are willing to pay thousands and thousands of dollars. And people need to realize that the value of these things don't go up when there's a bunch of crypto people here. It goes up when there's a bunch of fans of the actual IP. that's when the value goes up. So people saying that the value is going down, like I saw somebody saying, oh, the value of Veve is going down. You don't know what you're talking about. It's over with. Not realize, like, you're not even smart enough to realize we have a community full of only traders and only crypto people, and you're talking about the value of something that's going down and saying that I don't know what I'm talking about, when I know that there's only traders here. There's only crypto people here, traders and investors and noobs. Like, that's what this community is made up of. Hasn't been marketed to the people who's supposed to buy this. If you know crypto exists, if you know about the Omi token, if you think about this, if you know about Omi, if you know about crypto, if you know about any of that, Veve was not meant for you. Veve was not meant for you. Yes, there's an option. Yes, they knew that it would be beneficial to have investors and stuff. The crypto was needed anyway. Obviously, it makes sense to have an ecosystem for investors and crypto people. But this platform overall was not meant for you, and it can and will survive without you, me, anybody who has come here from crypto. The real super fans of these projects, and once they have features like videos and stuff like the TikToks and stuff like that, TikToks of NFT TikToks, once they have stuff like this and more content like that on the platform, that is what's really going to boost Veve's status. That's what's going to spread the name Veve more and things like that. So those people who are going to be here around every single day, all day, around the clock, creating content, boosting this project, really in love with this Veve project, those are the people this is targeted at. Somebody who trades half the day and then just comes here to mess around the Ecomi community for a little bit and like just try to make quick flips and things like that. But Veve is a small part of your day. The project is not for you. When I was growing up, I would always come home directly from school, hop on Call of Duty. I wanted to be an MLG Pro player. I played Call of Duty. I went hard. That's who this project is for. People who want to come home every single day after school and hop in the Veveverse. Hop in the Veveverse with their NFTs and play in this world that's built and created by them, and have this experience with all these different IPs and brands interacting and things like that. That is who this is built for. So that is when the value of NFTs will be decided once that's here. And then there will be, I'm pretty sure Veve will do events and stuff where they even make NFTs more valuable. So if you have certain NFTs, it becomes, like, for instance, that Ritmo, they released an NFT that was just a regular NFT. Then they gave it the ability, they gave it some animations and stuff like that. Those animations made that NFT a little bit more valuable. Veve can do stuff like that at any moment and change the value of, or the perceived value of any of these collectibles. But people are not thinking like that. People are so short-sighted and only thinking about right now. Yes, things are not going to be valuable right now because we do not have the audience that these things are valuable to. And what people are doing is, you're finally realizing that the people here are not bringing true value. It's all an illusion. The price, what the price was at, all of this stuff, it's all been an illusion. This was never real. This was traders and people trying to come make quick flips, make quick money, and now they see that they can't do that. They're getting more educated. They're finally learning, and now they are leaving the community. Good riddance. We never needed them in the first place. But then you have people who are sticking around, people who are constantly buying and stuff like that, people who truly understand the project. Either you're going to leave or you're going to stay. But don't lie to the community and try to spread FUD around the community talking about the collectibles are going down in value, when in reality they have not even started going up in value. So, that being said, man, hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully this explained things well enough for you, because people are constantly spreading these lies and stuff, and it definitely needed to be addressed. So let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section. As always, be sure to drop that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace out, y'all.